Oh, Jesus Christ. Well, if it makes a difference, you're a very nice looking young man.
Come on, book that difference. that can't make a difference. That makes a difference today.
You're a very nice, well put together. But you're going to find somebody. You just have to give it a good time, but I think you're wonderful. Power Top Cyrus's chat. You're going to find the person out there. Guys, catch your speed, my team.
Chat
17 person, guys.
17 rose chat.
17 person, one rose, my team.
Chat 17 person, one rose chat. Chat, we need 17 person chat.
17 person chat.
Enough man. She shall come on it and spit on blood clot face. Enough. So far me the life from. Chat, come on chat. Use the time street. Please don't start. Enough from blood clot enough. Yo, Jim, drop on that gloves, Jim.
Triple, chat, guys, use the triple, my team.
Chat, triple chat.
Ask money gunshot.
Chat, triple chat. Chat, triple chat. Chat, triple chat. Triple chat. Chat,
triple me team. We're gonna saw help that so far.
Chat, triple chat. Chat, triple chat.
Triple chat.
Chat, triple chat. Chat, triple.
Triple me team.
Come on, chat. Triple chat. Chat, triple chat.
Triple me team.
Triple chat.
Top tier, come on, guys. Use the triple the help.
Triple chat. Triple chat.
I'm going through a depression, yeah, so. We're gonna sound triple. Funny triple. Something make it triple up. Find by 3 bag, make it triple. A 3 bag in buy, no lad, is a nice. Guys, use the triple chat.
Sean, big up yourself, bro. Chat, triple chat.
Triple me team. We're gonna so help you, so.
Chat, triple.
I can go watch him page, run a sim. Can go over your page, sorry for. Them say a nice festivities over there. Make I go see. OJ official.
She better get my choice, for the first date, I get some gift here just now, isn't it? Some Michael course back, bro. They get my choice, baby. So, I'm excited for the first date tomorrow. As I can say, I get you some gift look well. Or you can do the right thing. I get my choice. Me and say Dyema.
Oh, God. Are y'all put in there? Jesus Christ.
Good morning. I know me a lot excited. I'm seeing my baby in a couple hours. Right now, I'm going to car wash. I'm going to wash my car. Get my car detailed. Is it? And then I'm going to drive 2 hours. Just to see my baby. Is it? I'm going to drive 2 hours just to see her. Is it? I'm kind of far from her. Far. Is it? I'll do a code go. Book Airbnb, everything for stay. Is it? I can't drive so far and drive come back. Is it? People just stay tuned to see what I got to get mad. Is it? Good. Ready to fit, man. Straight down to the floor, man. Look. Get your drip.
Hey, you're dressing up. You're dressed like a post.
At daytime.
You're ready. Lord Jesus. You know you're a good boy. Lord have mercy. Jesus. Look how you're excited. God. Shit.
Chat, big up on yourself, man. Yo, pretty eye. Javine, big up yourself. Sean, big up yourself.
Pot of Sorrows is my team. Pot of Strat. I don't see men like this anymore. Pot of Sorrows is guys. But gonna so help chat. Well, at least we have company here. So come, 13 person, one roast chat. 13 person.
Oh yeah, chat. 13% chat.
13
13%
person,
chat.
team.
Come on, chat. Come on, chat. Work together.
Come on, guys. 13
Come on, chat.
person.
Come on, chat. We have too much people. 1.7 people are sending, bro. Come on, man.
You know, say I'm going to call them.
Chat, triple. Jim, me for game moderator there, you know. Chat, triple chat. Triple chat.
Triple me team, triple chat, triple guys, short, triple me team.
Triple chat.
Triple chat, help.
Please, and chat.
Use the triple. Guys, use the triple me team.
Triple chat, please and thanks.
Use it, thank you. Use the triple chat.
Triple chat, please and thanks. Triple chat.
Triple me team.
Chat, work together and chat, please and thanks. Triple chat.
Triple me team.
Chat, work together, chat, please and thanks.
Guys, use the triple. Triple chat, triple guys, triple. Triple me team. Help.
Triple chat. Bombo clot.
Well done, thank you, my best friend.
Bombo clot.
Thank you for in a stressful situation over here. I needed that to release the tension.
Alright, I cannot chat. I could jump on your gloves. Jump on your gloves 30 seconds. Chat, jump on your gloves 30 seconds, chat.
24, 33. Thank you. Thank you, my besties. What security? What am I talking about security?
Oh, yeah, me have a big security forward too.
You bring security?
Just myself, I get more chance that's me. Cause you know, my left France so far that so me just me tell you say the day after Freedom Street me have planning, bro. So the date well executed, you know.
Yeah, top man, you walk with the security to the day.
I don't really say top man, as a man try say, but you know me just me suffer with social anxiety that as a man try say, so me just feel safe or me know say I'm safe. If that makes sense. As a man try say. Yeah, and I say top man. I don't say top man, mama. I don't say nothing about top man. As a man try say. We just like safety, bro.
Jesus, peace. Lord.
Yo, chat, drop on your gloves 30 seconds. Jim, drop your gloves 30 seconds. I drop your gloves 30 seconds, chat. Chat, I drop the gloves 30 seconds, chat. Chat, no triple chat. Chat, you about my chat, but chat, me confused the blood. Chat, when you use the gloves. Chat, use the gloves, chat, please, I thanks. Chat, use the gloves, chat, please, and thanks. Chat, use the gloves. Chat, use the gloves, chat. We have 10 seconds, chat. As much as I can choose to blood clot. Chat or fuckery over there.
Pity. All that platinum sexy Gucci, thank you, Chris, thank you. So a nice young man like you single. Oh, them not scoop you up already.
Huh?
Oh, them not scoop. Oh, a nice young man like you single.
They don't take me serious, MsTripple. I'm telling you, they ain't take me for like a whore. Is man chat because it's a chum look. They ain't take me for like a whore, so then they take me serious. I get my choice.
Oh gosh. But what up, Sarah's chat? What up, Sarah's is my team. No one if you might see a major zone for going in DM. Jesus. What up, Sarah's chat? What up, Sarah's is my team. The young ladies over here want to know you're how much because it seems like you're hot bread. Them want you over here. So how old are you?
Tell them to guess me age.
24.
Yeah, me 24.
Ross. But what up, Sarah's chat? Guys, get your speed. Guys, get your triple. 13 person one was my team.
Chat 13 person one rose, please and thanks.
13 person
Chat
chat.
13 person one rose, chat. Chat 13 person one rose. Please and thanks, chat. Dyema, I'm so Dyema coming to Canada. Enough. Oh, yeah, don't take them. Enough, oh, yeah, no, take them. Dyema, what kind of fucking baby style coming in my comment section, my bro?
You say you still a smile, you know you still want them. Dyema, work it out
Yo,
with
I
the
should have go
man.
away. MsTripple,
Dyema is a
MsTripple,
nice young man and the man
Oh, we
like
have mute
you.
about Powell. Chief, we have mute you. We have mute you. We're not gonna listen what you say. We not hear nothing. We don't hear nothing what you have to say, MsTripple. Chief, we don't hear nothing what you have to say. We not hear nothing what you have to
Then
say.
we pay Dyema, the man still a smile when he hear a name. That mean we must stop it. Triple chat. Triple me team. Use the triple chat. Dyema, you have to stop it. Guys, use the triple me team. Them are proper people order appetizer when them go out, you know. Face you like me now. Me just go straight to the main course and me can't wait for no little sitting for yam. Me just take it because and the bill make it less. Me can't buy the appetizer, it bill more. So me just go straight to the main course and get it over with. So it's a good money man appetizer. Guys, push up his score chat.
Child, I don't make MsTripple with me, man.
You're lucky. Some people go out and go order soup. For them not be, they can't pay for the dinner. So they order soup. Oh, guys, push up his score chat. Gucci, thank you.
How long him over? Yeah.
Push up his score, me team. We're gonna sort me so.
How long him over and no girl never look. That might be a fucking in my comment section.
We thank you. Oh, jeez.